today, beginning of day 10, or was it 11? I don't recall. But we got a breakdown. One of the first. A breakdown. Hey y'all, this is Rob Money's Car Stereo. We need a exhaust manifold ASAP. Somebody want to get the helicopter and show up. We need that. And while you at it, bring us 2 new Harleys and a fresh pair of socks. And we gonna be straight.
We'll be straight.
You heard me?
So right now, this is the official first breakdown. It's not even a breakdown, to be honest with you.
Minor setback.
Yeah, minor setback. Hey y'all, we done waited this long in the trip. We almost did. Done. But all I can say is, what? What? First breakdown. First breakdown, Amper Scudo. This is the owner of it. That's the owner right there, Amper Scudo. What's up? You know what I'm saying? This is the hook up and get down. A couple of guys went over to the AutoZone up the freeway about 2 miles, and they're gonna get it right. But all I got to say is, what?
Okay, people. So when you fix the exhaust broke, as we saw earlier in the video, you want to get a hold of some exhaust tape. You want to get a clamp and bridge the gap. So we about to see if this is going to solve the scenario. As you see, we got a clamp to fix it here. We're going to put a little extra on him with another clamp. And, you got to bridge the gap. These are things you got to do to make it happen.
No. These ain't no bigger than that, huh?
I think it's already here. Bust the package open to see. No, it's always bigger. Look, it's farther into the ring. Yeah. Put this back on. Put this back on because this is gonna hold.
Yes.
These clamps are gonna hold.
I'm putting one right here too, though.
Put the heat shield on because these 2 clamps is gonna hold the pipe together.
Exactly.
You got one on this end over here, and then you got one on this end here, so it's gonna.
That's what was holding me right now. What reason why I didn't fall off?
Exactly. This is gonna be more important than all of this shit.
I saw it slip back like that. He might know a couple things. He might know a couple things, He got the coveralls on. Shit. Well, the way I let this goddamn mechanic get down.
I done been broke down enough.
Let that goddamn mechanic get down there, man. Motherfucker got the supersized jug of that orange shit in his shop.
Once you wrap that though, basically what happened is this is what the clamp was loose. Because it's been cracked, that didn't just happen. We just didn't know it.
No. But it went all the way around.
Right, it went all the way, exactly.
Yeah. Remember when I kept telling you I kept smelling exhaust?
Yeah.
And I was getting dizzy and shit? The exhaust was coming right up and just in my face.
Your CO2 detector didn't go off? No?
No, but my headbanger did. I was like, what the fuck is going on?
Because that damn pin you was pumping on.
Cloud your judgment.
Today it's me. Tomorrow might be somebody else that get the joke.
But see, this stuff right here, y'all,
I had a joke for somebody tomorrow.
Brotherhood and conglomerate people hanging together with similar likes can get together, solve a problem, and make it happen, and we can keep moving forward.
We were coming to California one year, and we were about 100 miles from El Paso, and we called Airborne, He said, man, I got a dude that weld. He damn wrapped that motherfucker up, run them 100 miles. When the El Paso motherfucker got there, brought his portable welder over that motherfucker and welded that shit in the front yard. Hell yeah, he was waiting on us when
Y'all
we
had
got
to
there.
take it off?
Huh?
Y'all had to take it off so you can weld it all the way around? Or
That motherfucker goddamn, he was good than a motherfucker. But see, Trey didn't crack all the way through.
Right.
We caught it.
Yeah.
We caught it, so he had probably about a half. He had a half moon. He had a half moon, so old boy was able to sealing them. But
Yeah, but we just don't want it to spread apart because we ain't really got a lot of meat holes.
All right, give it back. I already feel that it's gonna seal.
That's what I was worried about. That clamp gonna be in the way.
The other clamp that he put on first.
Yeah.
You're gonna know it's working once you hear that pressure. It's gonna be all quiet and shit. Ain't gonna sound like a race bike.
We just don't want the compression from the motor to separate the pipe.
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna listen to the mechanic. This man got his whole shop. He's building. You know it's gonna be right.
All right. Plan B, use 2 of these, make it into 1. You got 2 of these?
Hold on. Watch that. You can move that whichever front or back. If you can connect it right there, that's good.
Let's see if I can get a bigger one.
You got a bigger clamp right there.
Make 2 into 1.
Make that bigger than this one.
I'll go around the outside with it.
That ain't gonna hold. That ain't. You need that motherfucker solid on there.
Okay. Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah.
That one on.
Take that out the way.
Put it on here.
Feed it through where you can get to it. Just like this one here. Make it look like this one. You on?
Yeah. It's like right there, too. I'm gonna have to do it from the side a little bit.
You didn't have to use those brackets we bought, or you did?
Get yours on first. Should go all the way around and just try to tighten it from the bottom. There it is, right there.
Excuse me.
Oh, you good?
Hold on before you tighten it, bro.
Yeah, that don't look like the first time you twisted that.
Let's get it. Right there.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah, right there.
Nope, that's my first day on the beach, man.
Tighten it up.
Look like you know what you're doing.
Yeah, done it before. This ain't the first busted pipe.
I thought I was going to be on my back.
I normally carry wire.
Yeah.
Oh, you fine. I normally carry wire. And then I would have grabbed it right here and tied it up here and then belted.
I'm putting boots on, man. I'm putting boots on. Hey, that's going to hurt. Hey, how far were you? How far were you? You was back that way?
Yeah, I just stick around, but then
Well, it's good. We changing plans anyway. Put it back.
but when you guys were taking the last picture, I was outside just yelling at you guys.
Let you press the button.
You got a new one?
Neutral, yes, sir. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what it do. Press fire in the hole.
I was smelling exhaust.
And I hear your bike sounding all tough and shit.
Guess who's back?
Sounded like that in San Diego. So you wait till we get $10,000.
Yeah. Okay, we holding. I think it's time to move forward.
I heard it this morning, that little noise, but I said, oh, it's his heat shield.
Look at the hip.
What y'all ready to do? What?
That's mine.
I can't get nothing. Don't hurry, man.
Don't hurry now. Woo!
Oh, but we lost some money in the process.
Yeah.